Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a what's in my bag and a review of the Louis Vuitton Chantilly bag. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And remember to hit that like button as well as smash that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So this is my Louis Vuitton Chantilly bag right here, and I've been loving rocking this beauty and wearing her in my collection since I purchased her. I do have the GM, which is the larger size, and I want to say that this baby, it can hold a lot for being the GM size, but still, you know, you'll see everything that I have her stuffed which is quite a bit, but still, considering how narrow and slim she is, you know, you have to be, you know, a little bit, you have to think about what all you're going to go ahead and carry for the day. I have to think about a little bit more what I'm going to carry for the day with this bag and what items I really need and downsize, as opposed to if I was carrying a tote or a satchel or another larger Louis Vuitton bag. So yeah, this is the Chantilly GM, and you guys, if I'm shining, you know, while I try to get through this video, I have to let you know it's about 150 degrees where I am. It's really hot and warm today, so forgive me if I'm shining. It's a hot summer day, but yeah, I'm so happy to be in here talking to you guys about my Chantilly. So I will say that I like the aesthetic of this bag when it's closed with the buckle. However, it can be a little bit of a hassle, you know, if you're in line or if you're about to pay for something, with opening and closing, going in and out of this bag because of the front closure and how it's made with this buckle front closure. That can be a little bit of a hassle, but I mean, it's okay. You know, we do what we have to do, right, girls? We know what we have to do with our bags. We know, if I know I'm in a line, if I'm at the grocery store or somewhere and I know I'm going to have to pay for something and pull that debit card out, you know, and I want to have it easily accessible to me, I just go ahead and leave the flap like this. And I'm not ever usually that close to anybody where I wouldn't notice or feel this flap lifting. So I still feel safe and protected with just wearing it like this with the flap. So this is everything that I have inside my bag, and it might be a little messy in there right now, but this is how I have everything stored inside my bag. I don't want anything to fall out. That's how I have all my items in there. And you can see, let's go ahead and talk about that change purse, since that's the first thing tumbling on out. The first thing that I have in there is my Louis Vuitton change purse. So I have that in my Chantilly bag. The next thing that I have in there is what I need, a necessity. I have to have this with me, my 6-ring key holder. So I have that with my house keys and my vehicle key. Sometimes you could stick a debit card in here, you know, under the flap. So I have that in my Chantilly. The next thing that I have in there is a card holder. I have my red Epi Louis Vuitton Cles with me, so I'm using that as a card holder. So I also have that in my Chantilly. And then I have some lotion in here. So I have my Chanel lotion in there, so I'm carrying that with me. And the next thing that I have in my Chantilly would be my makeup mirror. I have my Louis Vuitton makeup mirror in the blanc multicolor, Murakami multicolor blanc. So I have my makeup mirror with me. I'm using that. And then I just have a catch-all in here. I have a catch-all by MAC, and I have my lipsticks and different various items in there. So let me go ahead and show you what all I have in there, because I wanted you to see exactly what all this baby, the Chantilly, can hold. So in my MAC makeup case, I just have a Marc Jacobs lipstick, and I have a MAC lipstick, the color I'm wearing today, and I have some lip glosses. I have a little couple macaroons that are lip glosses that are so cute, and then I have a pill holder, little macaroon that's a pill holder, and I have some breath spray and some gum, and another EOS lip gloss. So that's everything that was in my MAC Cosmetics case. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in there. And yeah, so the Chantilly, the GM size, can still hold a lot, and it's an excellent bag to wear crossbody is so comfortable with the strap thrown across you. This is what the back of mine looks like. And I was so happy to get one that didn't have, you know, I didn't have any water stains, or my vachetta is really, really good. It can be hard sometimes on the pre-loved market. At least for me, I've found that it can be a little bit hard shopping. You know, you have to give and take what you're willing to accept as far as with the flaws with the vintage Louis Vuitton bag. Some of them are going to have a little bit of crazing, not cracking, but crazing. And because this is a heavy traffic area right here, the buckle that you're going in and out of your bag all the time, you're buckling and unbuckling. So this is a high traffic area for the bag. So you can see right there does have a little bit of crazing from the leather being manipulated, you know, putting it in and out of that buckle, as opposed to the back where you can see this is a low traffic area on the bag and there's not anything there, you know, there's not a lot of crazing. The areas that are going to be high traffic are the areas that bend, like the flap right here where it bends. You can see that even though it's in very, very good condition, that's a high traffic area that gets manipulated a lot because you're going in and out of the bag a lot, as well as this area right here, the buckle, you know, you're using that area a lot, as opposed to the bottom right here. This is a low traffic area. It's not being manipulated. It's not being bent or, you know, opened or closed. So, you know, you're okay with that. But you just have to decide. For me, with this particular bag, there's a little bit of crazing right there, but not enough to bother me. I really, really like it. And I really love the vachetta, the honey patina color of the vachetta on this particular Chantilly. It was so, so pretty, whereas at the time when I was looking in the market, on the secondary market at Fashion File and different places, some of them had heavier patina and looked more brandy-like or darker than the patina that looks this honey color. So I was happy with this one. And my strap also didn't have any problems. Another high traffic area for the strap is going to be the buckle right here, as well as the shoulder pad, the comfort shoulder pad. That's going to be a high traffic area, you know. But for the most part, like I said, I was happy with this particular Chantilly. And you know, some of them had more wear, but I just decided to go with this one. So I'm really, really happy with this bag in my collection. I'm going to go ahead and just stick my makeup case back in there. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, you ladies know this bag does have a zip closure back pocket right in the back. And that's another thing that you just have to decide. You know, some of them are going to have the peeling, the common peeling that the Louis Vuitton bags, the pockets are known for, that peeling residue. But I'm going to put my MAC makeup case back in there. I'm going to put my Epi clay back in there, as well as my makeup mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and put my lotion back in the bag. And next, I'm going to go ahead and put my coin holder, my change purse back in the bag. And lastly, I'm going to put my keys back in there. And this is what everything looks like once again inside the bag. I always like to leave my clay, the little red. I like to see a little bit of that red pop of color down in the bottom of my bag. So let me go ahead and move these items around just a little bit and manipulate them so that I could see a little bit of that red, because I just think that's so, so pretty to look inside your bag and see some of the different colors. And this is what everything looks like again inside my Chantilly bag. You see the MAC makeup case pouch, my 6-ring key holder, my lotion by Chanel, the red clay, and my multicolor Murakami makeup mirror. And that's everything that I have inside my Chantilly bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this What's in My Bag video. And remember to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, as well as check out my playlist on my other Louis Vuitton bags. This was so much fun to do. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody have a great day today, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video.